In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to create any website shortcut in Windows 11 PC or laptop. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to navigate here at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, the best match should appear. All you need to do is you need to click on the open option to continue. And in a few moments, you would be navigated to the Chrome browser itself. All you need to do is you need to wait until you can get the search bar that is being placed here at the center. Now, okay, once here, all you need to do is you need to type for the specific website that you would like to create a shortcut with. So let's say, for example, you'd like to create a shortcut for Wikipedia. Okay, click on the enter key. All you need to do is you need to hit the enter key so that you would be navigated to the result. And there you can see a first result for the website that you have searched. Click on it, and eventually you would be navigated to the page of that particular website. So in order to create a shortcut for this, okay, all you need to do is you need to proceed directly before this is being set. You can proceed directly to the upper right side of the screen, okay? You can see there are three dots. Click on it and locate your cursor to cast, save, and share. And the moment you locate your cursor here, you would be able to open up a new window where you can get an option which is install page as app. Click on it and wait until a new window would ask you to confirm your action. Click on install and kindly wait again until you can get a window. Then that would mean that we have successfully installed it. So from here, in order to create a shortcut, it will automatically be created here at the Windows 11. But in your case, if not, but I'm sure it would be automatically created here at the desktop bar and search for the website that you have opened or accessed earlier. So here, it will show you under the best match. All you need to do is you need to proceed to the right side of that where you can get a list of the option. All you need to do is you need to proceed with open file location. Now from here at the open file location, you need to proceed to the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So from here, make a right click, okay, and all you need to do is you need to click on this copy icon. Once you've copied it, close the window and here at the desktop, make a right click and click on paste. Okay, so it asked me to replace the file destination since automatically it has been created earlier. So in that way, you would be able to create a shortcut here for any website in your Windows 11. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.